MTN customer care speaking to Brucedevilliers. How may I help you?
MTN Porter, I have an issue with my SIM card. You know, I don't know, it just doesn't want to work. I don't know why it's acting like a black uncle from the Kasi, but it just doesn't work. It's unemployed.
Okay, no stress. Let me just run it up in the system. Yeah, no, so MTN has very high standards and expectations. I think that you haven't reached your funds for the month. So just need to pay those funds off and then I'm sure it'll be good to go.
I'm not talking about Evans. I'm talking about a SIM card. I said, just because I said issues, I didn't mean issues. I mean, SS.
Goed man, uthela dito, tamasimo. Mamela, food, yakao. Goed man, mbawelo. Kablo tanda, mama, ngaling test.
I didn't fuck.